Welcome to a new Bitcoin analysis. All right, guys, so almost starting the week, but Bitcoin already started moving. We broke the 4-hour uptrend here. We are at this uptrend, the yellow line. We broke that, retest this daily and the 4-hour here. Okay, I believe it was the 4 that hold because we deep dived the daily. We came up, retest that trend, add a little rejection of 1%, but we hold this 4-hour, and right now we are attacking again the uptrend. So we might be able, if we break this trend, okay, if we break up this trend, we might need to adapt the trend here. Okay, so I'm gonna keep this one. I'm gonna create a new 4-hour uptrend here, and right now I really want to see if we are going really to hold that or if we are going to reject that one. So on the daily, I really want to break up the red line here, the red body, okay, of this candle, the body of this red candle, sorry. And if we break that, we are probably going to keep the uptrend because that candle might turn into support in the future, okay? That's the only thing I have to say about the daily. On the 4, we are still in uptrend. We still are creating some higher lows, okay? On the 4, we have that bigger downtrend, okay? It's still an interior trend for that even bigger, okay, that major trend. We have this interior, and also we have the 1 hour in range trend here, okay, not interior, range trend, 1 hour interior trend or range trend here, okay. So on the 4, we are testing this 4, the top candle. We hold this 4. We have a ladder here, so we need to go to the 1 hour and try to understand what might happen here. Okay, guys, so we still have this 1 hour untested, but on the, and also this one, sorry, okay, this one here and this one here, but on the top, this is the last untested 1 hour candle, okay, and we are already testing that with this 1 hour. We might not go there, but we can easily go there and still see a rejection, maybe on a 15-minute level inside this range. Okay, what I really want to see is Bitcoin rejecting this 4 hour. Okay, right now, if we just reject the 1 hour, I will probably not be able to short this because I don't believe this range trend is going to actually hold because we bounce on that 4. But yeah, we still need to also get above this uptrend, okay, because we backtest that one time. It's kind of the second time right now. I will not count this as a break because on the 4 we just broke that here. So on the 1 hour we didn't broke that here, okay, we just broke on this candle here, okay. Right now we are testing that trend, and if this is going to be a good trend, yeah, probably yes, because we are rejecting that 1 hour also, okay. The only problem is that this was the last level on the 1 hour. My short position, it's probably on this 4 hour polarity. It's also a 1 hour polarity, okay. It's kind of the second top. So after this rejection, okay, the price just came down really straight for 2.7%, okay. So why this is my break level as polarity and not this one? Because after we came down on this level, even though it was a 1.5, we rebound on that, and after just this one that we got the biggest rejection, okay, sorry. So Bitcoin is still bullish, honestly, but for a short position on this range, that it's that this 1 hours was probably a good one, because if I short here, I could easily, if even if we bounce on this 1 hour, I could easily get 100% on 100 leverage. So that was probably a good call, but I didn't got in. Okay, I want to wait for this level, or maybe on the bottom. Yeah, on the bottom, guys, honestly, I'm not expecting on having a long position on these levels. I have all these levels marked, but only on this 1 hour or on this daily polarity moment. Okay, those are the ones, and I will not have the trade marked here. Okay, I want to first see a reaction, because we might deep dive that, even deep dive this week here, deep dive that and have a big and fast move up all these levels maybe, and the price still goes up. So honestly, I don't see a good position for a long. Maybe no, this 4 hour was tested. This 4 hour, yeah, this 4 hour was tested. So the only one it's here that was not tested. We have some polarity here, but I don't like that. Yeah, I don't like this 1 hour. I have this marked, but I rather have this 1 hour because we still have the trend. If we buy here, okay, that's probably a good idea, because I cannot buy here, because if I buy that, we are already breaking the trend. Okay, so I really want to wait if we are going to see a reaction on this 1 hour or on this trend, and maybe try to buy um, the candle after the test of that trend. All right, guys. But honestly, I rather wait for this 4 hour, because if we break up this 4 hour polarity and we don't see a rejection on this top, we are probably going even higher, okay, to 107k on this 4 hour untested candle. Okay, so I want to see a rejection on this trend or on this 4, maybe the polarity moment over there. If we don't reject these levels, we are probably going to break, and maybe even this 4 hour is, it might not be enough to hold the price down. Okay, we might need to go to the 4 hour trend or even to this 1 hour resistance level. Okay, but right now we are here, and right now this range, it's more bearish than bullish, but on the 1 hour we don't have resistance candle to break. All right, guys, so this is what I believe it might happen for the next few hours. um I don't want to predict if we are going to break up or down. Okay, I want to find the levels that we might buy on the bottom or sell on the top, okay, after the break. Okay, I don't want to try to predict that. I don't like that. I believe that's not a good way of trading. All right, guys, thank you so much, and see you guys on the next analysis for Bitcoin. Thank you.